The Lagos State government is set to commission the Lagos Opebi Road project this month as one of the legacy projects aimed at providing a lasting solution to the city's notorious traffic congestion. During an inspection of the project, government officials stated that every milestone achieved in the construction brings Lagos closer to transforming mobility within the Ikeja-Ojota corridor. They emphasized that the completed infrastructure would not only ease commuter stress but also enhance connectivity, drive economic activity, and improve the overall transport experience in the state. The Lagos Opebi Road project is one of the several projects undertaken by Julius Berger Nigeria plc, a leading engineering construction company, each designed to address specific challenges in its operational areas. Due to its unique significance, Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu has designated the Lagos Opebi Road and Link Bridge as one of the administration's legacy projects. Currently, Julius Berger is finalizing work at the site, with a commitment to delivering a bridge and road network that supports the progress of Lagos State and provides much-needed respite for commuters. The scope of the project, agreed upon in 2022, include the construction of Opebi Road, the construction of Ado-Alaro Bridge, Odo-Alaro Underpass, Ado-Olara Underpass 2, Deck on Pile Link Bridge, and the reconstruction of Maryland U-turn. Last week, Julius Berger project manager Dimitri Deseko stated that the near completion of the Lagos Opebi Road and Bridge project underscores the company's commitment to delivering lasting solutions to Lagos traffic challenges. He also noted that work on the project site is progressing steadily, adding that despite navigating complex engineering challenges, the planned May 2025 deadline for handover remains on track. Providing an update on the project's progress, the Senco revealed that the reconstruction of the Opebi Road, the construction of Odo-Alaro Bridge, and the Maryland U-turn are 100% completed. Additionally, the construction of Odo-Alaro Underpass is completed, while the Underpass 2 is nearing completion. The Deck on Pile Link Bridge are also completed. With a road length of 4.52 km, a pile depth of 40 meters, 1,500 board piles, and 650-meter long bridge structure, the Lagos State government believes the Opebi Link Bridge and approach road will significantly address the recurring traffic and transportation challenges in the area. The state government summarized it all. It is a known fact that the people are the ultimate beneficiaries of development projects like this. As promised, the state government led by Mr. Babajide Olusola Sanwo-Olu will continue to take concrete steps toward ensuring the delivery of the dividends of democracy to our people. Evidently, this particular project, like many that have been executed across sectors, will add on as a good example of making life more abundant for the governed. Another project being handled by the company in Lagos is the reconstruction of Idumago Avenue, Adeniji Adele, Ojogiwa, Oreyiyin, Okoya, Moshalashi, and Igondu Street in Lagos Island local government area, a part of the state where daily vehicular traffic had posed a serious threat to the flow of goods, services, and commerce. According to the state governor, the reconstruction project in such locked spaces as the local council are to assist in providing a conducive business environment and promote equal opportunities for the people to actualize their full potential. According to the regional manager, Technical Region West, Chris Thomas, said, "We build and rebuild road infrastructure to the taste of our clients. Look at what we have started doing at Idumagbo. Its signposts, what the outcome will be eventually. We will extensively solve the traffic problem on that axis." Adding that Lagos is one of the world's most crowded cities, he said that Lagos is home to 40% of Nigeria automobile registration. Every day, commuters spend at least 3 hours stuck in traffic. Lagos citizens face numerous issues because of traffic congestion. An urban planner, Soji Wilson, could not agree less, stressing that the quantity of cars wanting to utilize Lagos Road far exceed the capacity of the traffic network to manage them, resulting in traffic congestion. Similarly, Traffic congestion occurs when traffic moves faster than the roadway planned capacity. But we are confident that Julius Berger is helping to solve the problem, he said. The project manager, Disenko, stated that official records indicate that Lagos is Nigeria's smallest state, covering 3,577 square kilometers, roughly half of the size of Abuja. Despite this, it has the greatest urban population in Nigeria, with 24.5 million people. When these two factors are combined, it is easy to see why traffic in Lagos easily becomes tasking, and for which Julius Berger is delivering lasting solutions.